Good day each and everyone. I'm Fabric Warkaina, an IT student from Lemsu Kagwait. In this video, I will show you and explain to you the code and its function to the login form that I make. So, I will explain to you the function of my code. So, the first is the set title. Set title, set size, and etc. So, It sets the wi- so in this function it sets the window title, size, position, and disables resizing. Next is the main G panel. So the main G panels it acts as this container for all components. Background color matches the form in your image. And then the next is the text fields. So in the text fields we have G text fields and G password field. And it is for user input. It is for user input: first name, last name, email, username, password, or confirm password. And then the next is the G checkbox. Then the G checkbox is to let the user agree to the terms and conditions. And then the G button or the sign up. So it when click checks if the user agreed to the terms, then displays a success or warning message. And then the action listener. So the listener handles what happens when the button is clicked. And then the last is the swing utilities that invoke later. So it ensures that the GUI runs on the event dispatch thread standard swing practice. So that's all. Thank you.